Hello guys, welcome to another video in factorization of quadratic expression. So in this video we are going to look into difference of two squares. Since we already looked into inspection and we are done, so let us take a look into difference of two squares. And difference of two squares is just an expression in the form of x square minus y square. And this x square minus y square, it is called the difference of two square. And in most cases, it originated from a product of two factors. And these two factors are x minus y in the bracket of x plus y. It's just like you, for example, you're having 4, and 4 is 2 power 2, which is equals to 2 times 2. 9, it is equals to 3 power 2, which is equals to 2 by 3 by 3. So difference of two square, it is just similar like that. For example, now let us take a look into this. For example, we want to factorize. So let us say factorize x square minus 81. So if you are doing difference of two square, it means 81 is nothing but 9 square, which is equal to 9 times 9. So if you are doing difference of two square, we just say plus and the minus, then x. Same goes, x square minus 1 is equals to bracket x minus 1, x plus 1. Same goes, x square minus 4. The difference of two square is x minus 2, x plus 2. And also, if we are to do for, let's say, x square, let us add 4. 4x square minus 16 here, it will be equals to bracket of 2x minus 4 bracket 2x plus 4. This is how we represent the difference of two square. Okay guys, so now we have looked into the general way of applying difference of two squares. Sometimes you might be asked to factorize. Let us start with a basic. Factorize a square minus 25b square. Obviously, it will be equals to a difference of 2 square a minus and the plus. Here it will be 5b. This is really simple, right? Now, let us say you are having numbers. Question might say find the exact value of, let us find the exact value of 50,001 square minus 49,999 square. So when you're applying difference of two square in such questions, you just put bracket 50,001 minus 49,999. Then this side will be a plus. Okay, this side you put plus here 49,909 bracket. Here if you subtract you get 2. Here if you add you get 100,000, which gives you a total of 200,000. So this will be the solution for this question. And I want you to find the difference of two squares for 1 a square b square. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.